How do you use a hub puller to get a fan blade off of a motor shaft? I don't use this often, but when I do, it's because this blade has been on this motor shaft for a long time and I'm not able to get it off the way I usually do, which is with some oil, WD-40, some sandpaper, and a adjustable wrench. To use the hub puller, first we need to take the centerpiece and back it out enough to where you can actually put it down over the hub. So we back this out. We're going to be able to put it over the hub. Then we take these set screws, we back these out. That way we can get it over the hub. Once that's done, we want to remove the set screw from the hub because that set screw is going to be in the way. So loosen up the set screw with an adjustable wrench to where you can take out that set screw. All right, set screw's out of the way. Now, you want to have prepared this the exact same way you did when you were trying to get it off with your crescent wrench. You want to use sandpaper to sand the shaft, right, to make it shiny. You want to use that WD-40. If all else fails, we're using the hub puller, right? Now, one thing to mention, when you install the hub puller, you want it center, and you don't want any of these set screws that are attached to this hub puller to ruin where the set screw goes on the hub. So don't line it up like this. See where the set screw is, or was? Don't line it up like this. Offset it like this right here, all right? Now, once we get it where we want it, we're gonna run these set screws in all the same length because we want it to be centered. Because we want this shaft to go in the hub where our shaft is. And if it's not centered, this is not going to work. I'll get these tight in place and I'll show you the next step. Now, once we get these hand tightened, now we're going to go around with our wrench and we are going to make sure that each one is super tight because this is what's going to hold this hub puller in place. Now we've got these tight, we're going to run this in until it hits the other shaft, and then we can take 2 crescent wrenches. Now we're going to take and run the shaft of the hub puller into the hub. It's going to get harder to turn. It's going to go right through that hub, and then it's going to be removed. It's getting tighter. It's getting harder, of course. There it is. There's the shaft of the hub puller. That's how you use a hub puller. If you want to learn how to do it without a hub puller, I'll link a video to this one.